Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right tool for your image. Choose Photoshop for precision or a web remover for speed. Open the file, duplicate and unlock the background layer so you never edit the original. Use Quick Selection for simple subjects, or the pen tool when edges are detailed. Make a rough mask now. Once done, refine the selection's edge radius slightly to capture stray hairs or soft borders, because getting this base selection right saves time in the next steps. Now you refine the mask to make the subject sit cleanly against potential new backgrounds. Enter Select and Mask. Apply Smooth to reduce jitter, increase contrast to sharpen edges, and Shift Edge to pull the selection inward or outward. Watch how each slider alters hair and fabric. Switch to the Refine brush for wisps and transparent materials. Finally, paint on the layer mask with a soft, low-opacity brush to add or remove small bits. Because manual cleanup, finish by exporting the subject with transparency. Output to a new layer with layer mask for future edits, or save as PNG 24 if you need a flat file. Inspect edges at 100% zoom and look for halos. Use defringe or a minimum filter to remove light outlines, and make sure background color replacement matches, lighting to avoid a cut-and-paste look. If you see color fringing, sample a neutral nearby color and carefully paint on the mask edge to blend. This fixes most stubborn artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.